Bali, the island jewel of Indonesia and a place I've grown to love. Sadly, the island's spectacular beauty is being lost to pollution. Each year, 15 million tons of plastics enter our oceans all over the world. After a conversation with Sir Richard Branson at his home on Necker Island, I've realized how Tinggly can be part of the solution. Perhaps it's a crazy idea, but if we could build trash traps in Bali's rivers, we could stop some of these harmful plastics ending up in our oceans. If it works, it could be a scalable solution right around the world. So I'm Linas Čeikus, the founder of Tinggly, a company that promotes gifting stories, not stuff, all over the world. My dream is to help resolve the problem of plastics ending up in our oceans. It was essential to get our whole team to support the idea. It wasn't easy, but before we knew it, sketches were being produced and materials discussed. Over one weekend, the team got more and more excited while building and testing the prototype. But will it work in Bali? There was only one way to find out. We packed what we could and decided to purchase what we needed once we get to Bali. Time for a long journey. Once in Bali, it was time to hook up with the connections we had made before our journey. Mada Kamajaya, one of the village chiefs, offered us hospitality, advice and vital assistance. Plus, we got permission for the perfect site to deploy the first trash trap. It was time to go shopping. Finally, with all materials in place, our team began the assembly. After working late into the night, we were rewarded with 2 trash traps ready to be deployed in the rivers of Bali. After transporting the trash trap to Site 1 and a few final adjustments, we were successfully able to deploy the unit. The first trash trap was ready to begin doing its job. Later, we caught up with members of the International Trash Hero volunteer group. Vayanak Sara and his team are already in fantastic process of removing plastics from the Indonesian beaches. We were more than happy to offer our help for such a great project. The site for the second trap was found close to an overhead bridge. We hope that its location will help educate and inform the local population about the need to protect our environment from plastic pollution. Once again, with the help of the locals, our team was easily able to deploy the second trash trap without a hitch. We have achieved our goals. 2 working trash traps have been deployed in rivers of Bali. Many important connections have been made and many lessons have been learned. It's a small step, but a great beginning to a long journey. I believe the journey will be a difficult one, but for every person who joins the mission to rid the oceans of plastic, the journey gets easier. Our team's efforts are just a drop in the ocean, but it's our ocean. We know that the problem was created by all of us together, and it's only by working together that we can fix this problem. We owe this generation and every generation to come the right to a clean, habitable planet.